I'm say who me say na me ba be clear line nkofo nsem e be clear na just obi ate ne ho ase because nsem me de me atete sem ne me fa nya asem timite ne saa na meto nsa afre nipa no e we na betile fidie mu na ye ne na twetwe nkofo wa kyerɛkyerɛm de mete say ye nokre say ye nokre efi ono anu ntuba na no obi akoma atonium ye fam na dean mensa fam na the butterfly amaje was programming lipsticks and wigs na me jinkrato me ba ye beto aso lipsticks and wigs be after wuchini in a program here lipsticks and wigs na se ne ye kan no ye tete nkofo ansam bebre ne afro mo aba ne che se ya cheche enwem enti ene me abaya son no bi e wo fidui mu na wa hu pomba hye ne ade na wa be se de make na ye normal but ye be kono so straight up na che se ene na hye nyoma so. Hello darling.
Hi there.
Me fa cho why na menye no ofia he
Wenya Emma Abna Amankwa Efrifawa
aka
Fatwaso
Adibowichi. Thank you. Me fa show Emma.
Yes da.
Matetin say me bre wo hwemu na me say na me meka no atesem dem is not my son. Enti say ma wa be fidue mi a me so meti he ere nyoma be hyehye so why ni Emma
wait there Obapa Maminda washofo assist
do mo se ho no mo ne koso
kai bia program e kai nda so ntia nti mo nta ye chi na se de be ya ye betima ye no mo ye be ko kan
mo na high
na what say me se madan an kaminu aba no ka shi da won
debi me na adede me ndim komosa mate me ye sure so obi ti fi onu so ehu nti me fro why ni Emma
as you see me many Emma dear who I don't fake, I'm real as I am. That's who Emma is.
This is Emma.
Exactly.
But you would the same.
Medina me kind Emma ina medi Emma man quite free fa na they say me person push me local name
because I say me I say two identical people. I don't like that.
And me push me local no which is the Tuesday born.
Okay.
And they say I try to do Abna Mankwa Efrifa A cube. And they say local no na me Abna Mankwa Efrifa but it's the same as Emma na mo Emma Mankwa Efrifa and that's the same person.
What or who lighting you up? Then Emma de bia hwan pana otumi Emma wo de bia wo hren bebre sa ye yinya me fi ho a.
Okay, so
because ye nya ye dan kokoko
yeah. I think it's about myself. Me ankasa me hye me ho cry.
Okay.
Abrabo mu no obi eni ho a oni mo chen wo ankasa. Enti me I try to say mema enyoma bi akomachi na mema mani agide bia ne da because nipa oda sorry a odo eye adimwa nti me ada me da sorry bia no it's a new day for me na my is a startup no is about encouraging my own self nti me ankasa na me hwe me ho na is from within na about
Emma Emma, my chef on the two questions. Now, so questions, many question back 7 times. Now, so a question, I was some focus on Emma Woma.
But so we didn't remember Woma.
Emma, I saw me there, made a minimum, no, if you had a minimum. Emma, oh, ma,
no, ma,
yeah, that's it. Because so, Emma, hasn't been a day, what I say, I deal with the mayor, and so Boapa, you want to mean.
Boapa, dear, there be Abia, say, if you you may propose, but God and Ankasa Nebe, and your mabet maybe see a coin, but and your Boapa, Abiana, and your man to 2 years, no ye, ain't na me, no, but me, my Boapa, and my minka semi, baby.
Okay, have you figured out your calling in life? Wankasa say me de nyame frem se me nyewe nyame frem se me nyewe
em say it's about nipa do odo e wo makoma mu ma nipa is about nipa do
me twa wanu nkofo the reason besides is that I say nkofo ni mu pa but only ma depotia we
yeah
so we twa sene so we radio presenter so we TV presenter obi anim but don't nim say over screen so we say one day gege we ni calling.
Yeah, my calling say bia obebu say bia I'm into marketing.
Okay.
I'm a marketing and sales executive.
Okay.
So me hwehwea na ya ba bejo.
Until now all over no.
Me hwehwea no ma bejo.
Okay.
Send my advice so. Na say bia wo products bia e wo so a person nipa ye bo ho de huru na nipa ehu na nipa timi to di no. No na me ye ho adwuma.
Nti wo ye to di ho ade nko ana say we bibia be
to the one concert you can sponsorship BBI can be of any form into your hands say be a programming me be person or basso that the idea na meet ma convincing the pana amana basso that's BB another one
and now the convincing for
it's about your communication first your appearance. Enti nipa ni hu no you have to make a statement to nipa na o kone ho no if I'm coming to you maybe I beton baby now hu nipa no office na kasa we put you offer then it's a no-go area. Enti maybe na kasa I have to communicate well me be manoa let it be something a bit me ajojo and I have to know much about the products na me beton ma
okay
enti ana me kasa the appearance no o ko baby ahwede ade no e honete no na emra wo honam let it appear enti I know sa no I'm making a statement me I think some people have been saying say my red lipstick. Today I will tell you the secret when I make a red lipstick is about boldness, confidence. Ura office be na se MD ti ho ubia oti ho na se o show in a red lipstick you've communicated already say you are a confident lady, you are bold, so you are ready for that.
I won't take that from you. Yes, I'm not really carrying this over so me say
you know now you about maka baby so maybe from a year be hu dia be e fatal se pepper ne fatal
Emma me try no so
sales and marketing so you don't need
it is a lot of such say sales and marketing for me say and go say
you have to be a red lipstick me red lipstick red shoes it speaks a lot.
Emma,
yeah.
Asem we na so stand through show so na me no na Emma mama bi sa wasem kakra and na Emma nam ha ochina Emma nam ha he hwehwea dodo politically no ujina he wow platform bias this say na mudin kofo bi no machi na ne china na wonam ye friend say kwawu na say na posting kofo bi na say baby also now say won it say Emma
baby here for you
baby Emma him say me dem make can also otomase
there is some places na me hu dey bi America
infanti crowdry ni mo maybe na make an infanti if no so just on for what I said starting infanti also to be
and as I said I'm a marketing and sales executive.
Politics also marketing politics
hey almost airtime papa and then maybe obi ni mo political parties they who TV so they buy airtime they pay for it.
Okay,
we don't give airtime for free.
Okay,
because at the end of the month no obetua nkrofoka you better electricity you better so many things getting to buy a TV so you pay for it before you come on.
Okay,
into political parties crowd no hear TV na radio kese
personally na waje owo gina na ohwehwe nkofo politics nsem no wankasa wasam na me.
Okay, yankasa masem
wankasa odom dey political party.
I'm a Ghanaian in the first place. I'm a Ghanaian. Enti media ebeboa me na meye. Baby I'm in so like my constituency. My constituency. Me will say bia what I want people to know ene MP Emma will MP and because the MP is affiliated to this particular party.
Okay.
Okay. MP is someone who can lobby to make your constituency now a better place for you to live.
Okay.
I don't focus my MP betime free her, MP betime free her.
Yeah.
If you are a good person for me to help, for me to say I'm a projector, why not? I'll project you.
Okay.
Maybe the presidential is different, but MP dear, I was say yet to honor ye power no eto ye bring the bit my boy. Even if I'm MPP, na me MP no meaning say NDC na oba na beboa me. Why not? Because me person meet na baby a masumbe dwume. Make shots and say and your kwino and you ma be ye gutters e be ye da baby a met no ensuo to I won't get that drainage na bia kwino exactly because then na wo kofi a de bia na enche na mechanics for enya sika de bia obi ka asia say obi say ade na wo say basa NP bi wa beto abama no nsi wo holder e be do bia no aba me that I'm that deep. You can't come and stand in front of me and say I'm coming to campaign.
Okay.
What I say because I know dear will be minim. So I'll put you questions and you can't convince me with just anything.
Okay.
No, anything maybe I might like this person, I might like this person. Yeah, and I feel say that's the best thing to do.
So what they know pan or pour more semuntina. Only omo posti omo udi omo chi omo
posti omo.
Just omo last year ko we e dey see. Because the shop pictures no say I say you find say kwewu ho side one ana wo twempna o
impraction ko wona wo ka no me boss Brian asem na menim say wo kan ba bisi no abo Brian champon me boss am ni ye no kwa boy makro wo be frame abna
okay
abna maybe ono de me boss strictly boss konesa obi o wini we o call dey no abena menini be gina bon komo wo and at times you should know friendship and you should know obi o when you're friend with the person you keep them
okay
nkofo you keep them you don't let them go
okay
and until and I will keep him forever because he's owo akoma enyo obi abehu like kan so woska no betete ne ho opa na say bia Brian no to ne e bon komo ni like it's just that free so why not abna bako
also why not abna bako ye be gina ha na yakwaje nkrato ne ye ba ye den kan ne be hyehye so lipsticks and wigs so I feel with you in I said be am here no program here lipsticks and wigs from Nadine Mensa from Nat the butterfly me bomba tabe na me chemeni na me no bon komo ye wo fia ha ene due ye ne Emma e wo fia ha ye ne twetwe nkomo e fo no ana brabo ho ensem bebra matete am de ma friend abase o me yi nsem ano na emfa ma ye ne nyina yakoma ento ye Emma
yes darling
ye kono really ba ya ka Brian asem bi na pesam de bi ne bedie mu so be hyem o still really ba MPP pa Patrol so no want some to say because my chef for person mo say
mama sepe
the patrol left and Rick's cap ne kutawi aden ready Edo Mate patrol you mo no nya nti na wo de betwe ko
sepe yi
na wo de
nkofo be wu okrom
me patrol ngu say ne hu nsam no
so the America no I deal with political parties I'm a marketing lady and MP also said America say strictly business maybe I want this my idea I want this story to move and one thing I like about Honorable Afenyo Ken is say or penny bibia is a was a super pepe and then I'm here and then you have to begin to on it or no one to mean on your quadrophone and then I Debbie and Conessa I don't know crying then I'm no maybe I knew him way before about 13 years I've known him
okay
it is and then maybe I would turn us who post then somebody but they don't know the relationship and you're strictly
it's
no, cry the project, you're far. No, meaning the cry there. I don't know how it will work. And he's a man. No, they are married men. I respect marital. It's mean per se, my Jane Crabbe. They are married men, and I want to respect that home.
Emma,
yes, darling.
Why a lipo? My shop forced me in Bissau. Because Emma, too much. Too much. Wait for best. The actor be or you too much.
Lipo no
never chop. And for say, your matter may be south. Send it when you say show me to send some me Fred Bissano. What soon anywhere no for. Any way you funny. Normal.
Very normal.
Emma, what 10 years which I ever 10 years which I bow. Emma, you didn't channel
only no Kumasia Bontin to be a catcher say Emma dear. Say very normal. It's Emma, we are lipo, we are kitwe, be frank. Papa no crowd name me, some for records. And think of it to Marco with the young corner home. Mammy would be a woman in area, maybe. Ada Emma, don't wait to say a woman in area, maybe person will fall.
Okay.
Because I'm a wolf for. It's the woman in area. For the Yankopon no me. See the woman in area. Ah, dang. That's a mission I say, hey, who is Cardia Dio? When is Castle and Jane Abbas of someone? Which way? Some woman in area. And we another a year medium. A Jane Abbas of some wow nipedy. Emma, a day I will feel say, Yamia Farmer, we year up a someone. I love everything about me. It's all percent I would say. I love it's a life person. I don't know where they say, Semines can I'm a woman in area. Not some of my men keep him a food. I did always scar, be very way at the phone. Okay. I wouldn't stand because a moment and find young cancer cry. It is a woman my fall in be. Not some mission I be a food men keep. Now I want to feel good, said and I'm a penta the dubbing. Yeah, not a sika walk. Not a pronounce a dog. To trim a fusa the free when I want to sign your stomach back. Me born in say, Emma, we need to football upon Misha. I did let him need to probably how to I did. I saw we had the program here from I did, Crobia. I'm on see. You don't go colors if you be a man or medical Debbie. Emma, but sorry, Crobia. Me, it me just a cry. She, over the eyes, will come. Crobia, papa. Emma, sorry, I didn't know first thing. Yea, Crobia. Ah, just be there first thing. Emma, I was at me call England or so. Me join it team papa. Me join it team papa. So, team papa. Yay! Emma, why United, Papa? Kumasa do bien say baby land your friend. United, because England, United, Papa, the Red Devils, family, and you call Spainer. Allah, every day. Madrid, I've been from the way. Allah, Madrid. Tim Papa will be a Emma, and never was to send nothing. Questions no upon Nemuno, I never sat at Sasa for now. What show you so now? Oh, what Becky can some now, Emma? Yes, darling. Well, I mean, this away name. What? Emma, Mr. I said, question with me, Miss Uncle, for I come. My family Jesus in the crying woman home cry. Crobia, mammy, Crobia ye. A team be near this thing. Asanti Wedo. Crobia. Asamna over. Asanti Wedo. Asanti Wedo. My dear friend, I got a former scanner. Asanti, listen, Asanti Wedo, don't it? Check Kotoko, ye, your soon Kotoko. Kotoko, ye, Mujani, you Muja, so your Kotoko. Hey, Crobia, Nana. na be something be this can some my baby ya na no that's it
Emma ba cho hwana na twempana obi aba misori so ambisa no
empra
twe mu te sei
afi no bi hwehwe bia ho
ti afi na wo hwehwe mpana
bi hwehwe bi dintin
ti Emma wo da we ba
ya so bi anim
Emma wani o soja
why o soja peace FM mi so go bu se no mi ni abeba ba ko pe
Emma me Emma nimsa wonya this platform na say
oh no dey
one sign wutia
ma me sign intem
ensem metumi esisi kama pon baba ku copy app sisi ayi asem mbisa de nsem meba asem ahwefo bedwa Emma wani o soja
ye obi a me ne enante na me ni no ni na me boa no boa me bi ha
mo de kwan so
enyoma bebre ho asori komu adwuma sem finance bibia
Emma
ye
nti woni o soja mo nchempana
ni mpaso agro obese di mpaso agro
no the one me just a question woni so one question you know me 13 times so Emma, confirm
I will never deny him. Say, be yes, madam for do madam for. Many than number, but maybe started. You are a married man.
Industry, one up and womb. Industry, what is our crush? One crush.
Political.
We call political. My raho, one a crush or political. When we defend say,
we can't somewhere.
Oh, my son, my kind. Let's see your mama back. Let's say, Cassa. A young Unya,
you meet taste bassa.
Catch me.
Oh, pass a mommy.
Catch me.
So proud of
Cassa, my uncle.
Oh, we are and this about when people back. I'm going to be medium when this is MPP. And this is when I say crash here. Stand up.
MPP Monso, Mamma. Oh, nice or you because I don't go
you deny him, period.
Yeah, Regina and also or send a crash you deny him. That's so you did not all. No, be able to me. Now, men show it dying a piano because your plan, there's just so much that is so win night. It will be piano. The Regina, I have said, let us say, the program is Hana. Just and then come on, I didn't to me. You must have for be mamma. You won't go me suffer from Mubium. Now, what can I for beam? You better radius send there on my own quantity programming, a banner, a quavier, where I'm a producer, a director, OPPR, or my programming, a basso, with that OPPR, and now, if I was standing in there, a style by still, Oko Ija, Ubihuna, one and all, I should show Cobo, best style. Ye pan, Meadow Bibia say, na da send there, ever saying she programming air lip 6 weeks, only a feminine, the butterfly.